Hello, my name is Nathan Leahy, the Field Service and Sales Engineer for Weldability Sif, responsible for the building, testing and repair of our welding units, welding fume extraction units, and our air monitoring device, the ProtectoScan EDI. What I'm going to go through with you today is some of our TIG packages from the sifWELD Evolution range. sifWELD Evolution encompasses aerospace technology and ergonomics while staying true to the brand's century-long heritage and core values. Our new TIG machines combine smooth and powerful TIG performance with a simple, intuitive interface. The user-friendly pictorial color display screen allows you to select and adjust all the settings you need for each mode. The sifWELD Evolution TIG range provides smooth operation with pulsing function up to 999 Hz for excellent control of your weld bead on aluminium, steel, stainless, copper and titanium. The combination of aerospace technology and high-end features in these machines would usually cost many thousands. You'll be surprised how affordable the sifWELD Evolution packages are. Introducing the sifWELD Evolution TS320 AC/DC Aerotech Inverter TIG Welder from Weldability Sif. A fully digital and programmable welding machine for TIG and stick welding from a 400 volt 3-phase power supply. Using the user-friendly pictorial color display screen, you can select and adjust all the settings you need for each mode, which the TS320 will store automatically in its memory locations for instant recall of your perfect program. In AC mode, the adjustable waveform, balance control and pulse functions make the TS320 highly versatile for aluminium in a range of thicknesses. The Aerotech features 4 levels of HF strength and fully adjustable current control of the positive and negative parts of the AC square wave. A foot pedal offered in wired and wireless variants is sold separately. The pedal is detected by the power source to enable professional remote current adjustment. The wireless control panel is also available to manage all features while away from the machine. The sifWELD Evolution TS320 AC/DC Aerotech comes as machine only or with water-cooled or air-cooled packages available with or without trolley. The sifWELD Evolution TS200 AC/DC Aerotech Inverter TIG Welder is a fully digital and programmable welding machine for TIG and stick welding that with PFC technology can be used on either 230 volt or 110 volt single-phase power supply. The TS200 also features that state-of-the-art pictorial color display screen so that you can select and adjust all the settings you need for each mode and access programs automatically stored in its memory locations. Just like the 320, the TS200 features adjustable waveform, balance control and pulse functions in AC mode, making the TS200 highly versatile for aluminium in a range of thicknesses. Similarly, it also features the previously mentioned 4 levels of HF strength and fully adjustable current control of the positive and negative parts of the AC square wave. Your sifWELD Evolution TS200 comes as a complete ready-to-weld package with an included TIG torch, earth return, electrode holder and gas regulator. The foot pedal, offered in wired or wireless variants, is sold separately. The pedal is detected by the power source to enable professional remote current adjustment. There is also a water cooler available separately. The sifWELD Evolution TS200 DC DV Inverter TIG Welder is another fully digital welding machine for TIG and stick welding that with PFC technology can be used on either 230 or 110 volt single phase power supply. With its high open circuit voltage, the TS200 is equally at home when welding with all types of MMA welding electrodes. A wired foot pedal is available separately, which, like the others, is detected by the power source to enable professional remote current adjustment. Your sifWELD Evolution TS200 DC DV comes as a complete, ready-to-weld package with an included TIG torch, earth return, electrode holder, and gas regulator.